Do you wish you could quit teaching and start working from home so you could spend more time with your babies? Are you tired of scouring the internet for legit jobs that will replace your teaching income and that you can do from home in your PJs? Hey mama, welcome to Ditch the Classroom. I know you're over there Googling jobs for teachers, legit work at home jobs, or start a side hustle, yet you can't figure out how to take that first step toward quitting teaching. So instead, you stay stuck, do nothing, or start random side hustles to make quick money. Virtual assistance is the answered prayer you've been waiting for. My name's Ariana, and I'm a former teacher turned work-at-home mom who replaced my teaching income as a virtual assistant in just 6 months. I did this by taking a step of faith and following the dream that God placed on my heart to be home with my babies. Sister, your dreams pale in comparison to God's dreams for you. Imagine offering services that light you up and having a job that works around your life and not the other way around. This is the podcast for you. It's time to take that first step out of teaching. Are you ready? Here we go. Welcome back to another episode of Quick Tip Thursday here on the Ditch the Classroom podcast. Today's question that was submitted to me is, how do I pay taxes as a virtual assistant? Now, just a disclaimer up front, I am not a tax advisor, so I do recommend hiring someone who can help you with your specific situation. But I will say that as a virtual assistant, it's smart to make quarterly tax payments. That way, you're not stuck paying one giant lump sum at a time. So you can go to Google and type in quarterly tax payment due dates for 2022. There's one coming up next week, July 15th. But I recommend any income that's coming into your business that you set aside 20 to 25% of every payment you receive and transfer it into a separate account. That way you're not tempted to spend it and left scrounging for the money when it comes time to make your payment. As far as making the payments, you just simply go to irs.gov/payments/direct-pay. So that's irs.gov/payments/direct-pay. And then you just go in there. And unfortunately, there's not really a calculator to figure out how much you're supposed to pay. I know it's kind of stressful. They're like, you owe us, but we're not going to tell you how much you owe us. So it's important for you to be keeping track of your income in your business as well as your expenses. So if you purchase a course or materials or other things for your virtual assistant business, some of that can be deducted from what you owe for taxes. So you can go and create a spreadsheet to track all of this and then just put it in your calendar to update it twice a month. So you're not scrounging at the last minute trying to figure out how much you owe. Go update it twice a month and then you'll know exactly what you owe when it comes time to make your payments. And if y'all didn't already know, in the Teacher Turned Freelancer Academy, I actually have a spreadsheet already created for y'all. It's the profits and losses spreadsheet. It's going to help you figure out exactly what you owe and keep track of what you're actually making in your business. So that is one resource out of so many others that are included in the Teacher Turned Freelancer Academy to really help make this virtual assistant business easy for you. So you just go in and plug your information. It's already set up for you. Just like the portfolio template, the contract template, everything else in TTFA. I really designed this to help y'all run your virtual assistant business with ease. So go to teacherturnedfreelancer.com. You can see everything else that's included and get registered there. And I also want to invite you to join our free Facebook community, facebook.com/groups/Ditch the Classroom. Come in there, scroll to our Quick Tip Thursday episode post, and drop your comments there. You guys, if I run out of questions to answer on Quick Tip Thursday, we won't have these episodes anymore. We'll go back to 1 a week instead of 2. And I really enjoy doing these for y'all. So I would love it if you would submit some more questions and I would be happy to answer them. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in and we will see you next week. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I'd love to bless you with a free gift as a thank you. All you have to do is leave a review of the show on Apple Podcasts, Take a screenshot and send it to podcast@ditchtheclassroom.com. I'll send you a code so you can snag my Ditch the Classroom toolkit for free. And don't forget to come hang out with us in our free community, facebook.com/groups/Ditch the Classroom. I'm so honored to support you in your journey to becoming a virtual assistant. Until next week, y'all, keep following the dreams that were placed on your heart so you too can ditch the classroom.